Hello. I want to start off this vlog with something I've noticed at staying at people's houses. Everyone's pantry has a smell, and it's really not a great smell. Like, I have to like hold my nose really to like open it. Like, I wonder if people get used to it. I'm not used to a pantry with like a closed door, but everyone that has a closed door smells, so it's just interesting. Something I've noticed.
We're gonna gain exponential weight.
Good job, baby. This view though, my setup. Okay, so I've stayed at this house before. The lady had said, oh, the Wi-Fi password's like inside that door, and there's this post-it note with a Wi-Fi password looking code. Last time, which was like months ago, 6 or 5 months ago, I've kept using that post-it noted code over and over again, like expecting maybe it'll change and work. And then I finally noticed like the passwords on the Wi-Fi box. So that definitely changed the game, but it's like, I know I kept doing the same thing expecting it to be different and like kind of like feel defeated, but I guess moral of the story is like you can't do the same thing and expect something to be different. Like, keep looking for the thing, and usually it's kind of like right in front of you. It's right in front of you, it's right next to you is the answer, and everything will change. So yeah. Beautiful view though. I'm gonna be outside a lot. Look how pretty the sunset is. It's insane. Like, the sky every day is honestly insane. There's the moon. But like, this is so amazing. Like, what? There's the other side of the sky. I don't want to leave it out. It's beautiful. Like, what? Hello. I'm going to do a grocery haul. First things first, got me some cherry Coke. Of course, that's my pick. So I went to Walmart. This is Weenie because that was like the closest one. I got a lot of Walmart brand stuff. These chips, chicken salad with grapes, lettuce, iceberg. I like iceberg. It's overwhelming. Chicken flavored rice and pasta. I don't know, it was in one of those things where it's like in the middle. That's empty bag. These. Baby! They didn't have, like, it's hard for me to make a decision. I wanted protein bars, and I was staring at them for a long time. I got these. Chili cheese fries. I wanted to try these. I got these. One of the first things when I walked in, I saw it. Craisins. This one says 50% less sugar, and I was like wary because I don't want like any fake stuff. But I mean, obviously, like, I don't care. But it can be a lot of sugar sometimes. It's my receipts. Next one, got their version of Oreos, double filled, not double stuffed. I got their toaster things because these were so much cheaper. And they only had the strawberry ones of their brand. M&M's, and this has milk, peanut, and peanut butter. I like having chocolate. Got blueberries, got bananas. And I needed face wash because I forgot mine. So I got this one. They didn't have like many options. So I hope this doesn't break me out. My skin's been kind of good. I need to wash my face. I haven't done it today. I got famous chicken fingers. So I need to keep some stuff frozen. Black Forest ham. I'll just eat it plain. I don't care. And last thing, I got peanut butter jelly things, Uncrustables. And then I went to Marathon and I got coffee. Let me get that because I want coffee. This one. It's actually pretty good. I got dark roast. So I'm about to undo all this and then sit outside and chill. Oh, she's drinking my water, of course. Okay. I like doing hauls. video.